How to fix the application has failed to start because its side-by-side configuration is incorrect. Hello everyone, and let's get started. While trying to access any application or program, if you are getting this error code, then it could be very frustrating. But here are some of the troubleshooting methods that you can apply. To get started with, we need to perform detection or some of the scanning on the device for corrupted files. In order to do so, either in the search box or in the start menu, you can search for command prompt or the terminal and run it as administrator. Once that is done, you have 4 commands that you can use. The first 3 is for the disk cleanup, for checking the health, scanning the health and restoring health. Likewise, the last one is sfc/scan now for scanning the corrupted files and folders. Once you do so, you have to copy each and every command of this into the command prompt, which might take a while to scan for all the files. This should probably work. However, if it does not, let's move on to the second solution. For this, what you can do is, in the search bar type in troubleshooter settings or directly open settings and go to system, troubleshoot and other troubleshooters. From here, click on program compatible troubleshooter and then choose the program or application that is creating an issue. This could also solve any problems related to the application. However, if this does not work, here is another solution that you can try. For this, press in Windows plus R to open the Run tab. Type in appwiz.cpl and hit the OK button, which will open the command or control panel. From here, search for Microsoft Visual C++, right-click on it and tap on the Change button. It will open another interface from where you have to select the repair. Make sure to do the same for all of the Microsoft Visual C++ versions and you should be good to go. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.